Guys, do you know what these are on your screen right here? And if you don't know what they are, I'm going to explain to you what they are. And better than that, I'm even going to show you how you can make a 30% recurring, that's over and over again, commission using these particular files in an affiliate marketing method. All right, so if this sounds good to you and you want to stick around and watch this whole thing, we've got a few steps to go through here. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos, and this may be your first time here to my videos, and you haven't subscribed, well, reach down there, take the time below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell there right beside it so you get notified of new videos that I upload, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel. Alright, you can do this anytime during the video if you want or whatever, and also anytime during the video if you feel like you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and hit that thumbs up button for me too, and give me a like on video as well. Alright, thanks a lot, guys. Let's go ahead here and get started on this. What these are, these images, guys, I think most of you may know what they are already. For those of you that don't, these are simple little GIF files. And they are, what a GIF file is it's the .gif. It could be like cat.gif. Is GIF files are little looping or cycling pictures that loop like a video. They're just looping little videos, and they're about 2 to 3, maybe 5 seconds long at the most. Very short little tiny video clips, known as GIF files. And you can see there's all kinds of them here. I mean, just anything just about that you can think or would be want to think of here. You've got all kinds of GIF files here. So we're going to use these GIF files today to make a recurring income with affiliate marketing. We'll come back here later onto the search engine here. I'm using Microsoft Bing. You can do this with Google too. But we will come back here a little bit later, and because we're going to get a GIF file from here and use it in our marketing efforts today. All right, so what you want to do is, first thing is we want to come over here to this site here, and we're going to show you what we're going to be marketing here. This is called Social Pilot. If you look up here in the address bar, it's socialpilot.co. You see it right there in the address bar, guys. And what this site is a site that will manage people's social media marketing for them, and it will help them grow their, like for example, Instagram or Pinterest or any kind of social media. It'll help them to grow their account and make it larger, and put them and make them even become an influencer on their account. So this is a really good site for people to boost their accounts up in their social media accounts and reach their goals in whatever that may be, whether it's followers or likes or even just, you know, making money with their particular social media channel. That's what Social Pilot is. Everything you need to hit your social media marketing goals at an amazing price. And their pricing here is, as you can see, they've got the agency, the studio, a small team, and an enterprise here. And you get a 14-day free trial on each one of these here as well. Some of the other things that you can see down through here, more accounts plus more posts equal better value for the money, powerful social media analytics that people can get, and engage efficiently with social inbox and collaborate with teams and manage clients. Discover and publish popular content and curated content with RSS feeds and bulk upload even. Why Social Pilot is the right fit, and then they give you some questions or answers right here on that. But what we want to do is how we're going to make money today, guys, is we want to come all the way to the very bottom of this particular site. If you look over here under the company column, you see where my mouse is here, guys. Under the company column, you come right down here, you see that they have an affiliate program right here. All right, and then you want to click on that. So we're going to click on affiliate program, and then you can see here you can earn a 30% recurring commission for Social Pilot subscription sales. And guys, recurring, that just means over and over and over again. So for everyone you get to sign up each month, when they pay their bill for these prices that I showed you, then you're going to get 30% of that every single month. As they re-sign up and pay their bill each month, you're going to get 30% commission. So, and it tells you a little bit here about how it works. Join Social Pilot, join our affiliate program. Is free. Guys, this whole method is free, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. All right, it doesn't cost anything to do this method. So, and you do not require an initial payment to join us, and we pre-approve all affiliate applications. and then advertise. Enjoy a range of promo banners and text links to share anywhere on your website, blog, or social media. And then earn money, keeping 30% commission for every new paid subscription with us. And you get a commission on every renewal. So every time, like I said, every time they pay their bill every month, you get a commission so long as they remain a member of Social Pilot, right? Here's a little bit of the affiliate program details. It's zero. The joining is free. You got to have a $50 minimum balance required for payouts. Payments are made once per month for the previous month, and then you see right here, they pay by PayPal right here. So if you don't have an account with PayPal, you'll want to go to paypal.com and sign up for at least a free personal account. And they have a business account also if you want to do that, but it's not necessary. And then they have some frequently asked questions and things like that. So what you want to do is you want to click here on Get Started. And then what you want to do is you want to now, I think I'm already a member here. I've signed into this before this site. So I'm going to see if it'll let me in. Yeah, it will. Now you can, coming back here, you can fill this out right here. It's a local account, and they will, and they make sure you check this, I agree to the affiliate terms, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure you get that checked out and get validated and come back and then get signed in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account, and then it brings you to your back office right here. And then I don't have my payout selected yet here on this. See, I just signed up just to see what this would look like here a little bit ago. And then it's got, and you get 30% recurring commissions like I was showing you. And you can share this on any other social media that you want to. And right here is your referral link. And they have a couple of different ones here. You can do a plan page or you can do a panel. I'm just going to leave it at the default right there. And then what we'll do is we will copy that link right there. And you can see that it's a little bit longer link and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over to a tiny URL. You can use Bitly if you want to shorten your link up. But I'm going to use tinyurl for this. So we come to tinyurl.com, and then we will paste our affiliate link in right there. And then we can also add an alias right here if we wanted to, but I'm not going to be concerned with that. I'm just going to click Make a Tiny URL, and it makes it and pops it out over here. It even shows it right here as well. And what we'll do is we will copy that, and then I'm just going to open up my notepad and just kind of paste it there for later, and we will come back and get this here a little bit later. All right, now once we have that, guys, you got your affiliate link. Then what we're going to do is where are we going to market this at? Now, first of all, we want to come back here, and we're going to get our GIF, remember? And now, since we're dealing with Social Pilot, and it's all about people helping their engagement on their accounts, and they're making their accounts grow like Instagram, Pinterest, and so on and so forth, we are going to come back here and get a GIF file. We're going to have put in here follower count GIFs. Follower count GIFs. And if we press enter, you can see that it gives us little GIF files that looks like the follower count is going up and up and up here, as you see right here, guys. So what we want to do is we just want to pick one of these right here. So you can just look around. There's all kinds of them here, guys. You just pick whichever one you like. There's all kinds of them here. It doesn't look like there's many down this way. A few here, but I think what we'll do is we'll come back up here, and I'll just pick one like this one right here. So I'm just going to right click and save the image as, and it will save it into my downloads folder, and we'll just call it InstaGIF right there, and we'll just click on save, and that will download it to my computer. Alright, so once you've got your follower count GIF picked out and downloaded to your computer, now here's where we're going to set it up to make our money, and we're going to use this site right here, guys. Come over here. It's called Imgur, I-M-G-U-R. It's imgur.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, imgur.com. This site, guys, is a site that gets an incredible amount of traffic per month, which I will show you right here. If I bring up my SimilarWeb, you see we're on imgur.com, and if I scroll up, guys, it's a no-brainer. Take a look right here. This site gets 240 million visitors per month. And even better than that, if I scroll up even a little bit more, you can see right here that most of the traffic, about 35% of it, comes from the United States. Then you have Japan at about 12%, and then you got the United Kingdom and Canada and Germany. So these are some of the top tier countries in the world, which means these are good quality traffic that comes to this site. Now this site is free to join. All you got to do is click over here on sign up, and you can see that people are posting gifts up here on this particular site for people to, read and click on and so on and so forth. And it shows people how to do things. These are just gift files like you saw. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our gift file up on this site as well. Alrighty, with our affiliate link attached to it, driving people back to Social Pilot to sign up for their service, and then we get paid. Okay, so now you can click over here where you see my mouse is on sign up. Now you can sign up with Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, and Yahoo accounts, or you can create a local account here as well, and then they will send you an email confirmation, so get that checked out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back. Now I've already got an account here, and I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. Now what we want to do, it's free to post on this site, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come over here and click on where it says new post at right here. You see that? Click on that, and that brings this up right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop our image and upload our image right here. That image wasn't a good image. I had to read down another GIF image from right here, and I just chose this one here, which is similar to that one. That one said it couldn't be downloaded securely, so it didn't download it, but it did get this one here. We're going to upload right here. Click on choose a photo, and we'll come to our downloads here, and then it's this one right here. And so there you go, you can see that it's a counting thing, and this will get people's attention and curiosity, and they'll be able to click on our link. And then what we'll do is add a description here. Grow your social account fast. Spell that right, I'll be in good shape here. Grow your social account fast, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste in our link. Guys, they do allow affiliate links on this site. Okay? And then we'll just paste our link right there to Social Pilot, our affiliate program, and link right there. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, what we need to do is we need to give our post a title here. We're just going to call this Grow Your Follower Count Fast. Okay, and we'll give it that. And then what we want to do is we want to add some tags right here. So we want to call it, we'll just say like social media, and put a comma in, we'll just say like Instagram, comma, and we'll say Pinterest. And just some tags that have something to do with what you're promoting. All right, social media, we can say social, or here, let's go with this. Grow your social media, and put that as a tag. So somebody may be looking for that. So when they type that in, they'll be able to get ours. Ours will come up, and they'll see this here. So then what we want to do is you can grab a link right here if you want to share it out, like on Facebook or anywhere else, on Instagram yourself or whatnot. But what we want to do is we want to click right here so we post it to the community right here, guys. And you can add more images. You can embed the post, download the post, or delete it, whatever. You can add another image here as well. But we want to post it to the community so everybody within Imgur can see that. And then we just click on post it publicly, and then it gives us a link to share it out on Facebook, Twitter, and all of that. So our post is posted there now. You can see right here that it's already posted it, and there it is, and our link is right here. And if somebody copies that and pastes it in and goes to it, it will take them over to our link. I'm going to go ahead and actually I'm going to test this out here just to see if it works, because it doesn't look like it's going to lay it right. It's not. So what we're going to do is we'll copy that, and we should probably tell them to copy it, which they'll probably know how to do that anyway. So we're going to click in here, and it's probably going to have to, take the spaces out. See, there's spaces there, and then people will, I'm sure they'll be smart enough to do that. Brings them over here, and you can see that it's got our affiliate link in it there, and it brings them over. And if they check out the plans and purchase, you're going to make 30% and 30% every month over and over again. that's the video I had for you today, guys. If you like this particular method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up also. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you didn't do it anytime during the video, and click that notification bell. And also, if you have any comments or questions about this particular method, guys, you can certainly give me a comment down there, and I'll get back with you on that in the comment section as soon as I can. And also, see my free affiliate marketing, high-ticket marketing video. Reach down there below the video on the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch a free video presentation where you can learn high-ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands in one day's possibility. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye now.